You can remember your first crush, but not your last meal. Some memories last a lifetime, while others vanish in hours. Is forgetting a flaw in our minds, or is it a hidden survival tool? The answer may change how you think about your brain. Welcome to Zukkun Knows. 1. Mystery forgetting feels like failure. You lose a name or a date, and it frustrates you. Yet scientists now see forgetting as an active process, not simple loss. The brain clears unneeded information so we can focus on what matters most. This selective deletion is called adaptive forgetting. It is not a weakness. It is the brain's way of keeping us efficient and ready to act. 2. Systems memory comes in different forms. Working memory is like a scratch pad for tasks you are doing right now. Short-term memory holds information for a few minutes, like a phone number. Long-term memory can last days, years, or even a lifetime. Forgetting looks different in each system. Some fade quickly, others need reinforcement. This shows memory is not one box, but many tools working together. 3. Encoding. To keep a memory, the brain must encode it first. Encoding means turning experience into a stable trace. We encode better when we pay attention, care about the moment, or attach emotion. Sleep then strengthens the trace, a process called consolidation. When encoding is weak, recall will be weak. You never truly stored it. It feels like forgetting, but really it was never fully saved in the first place. 4. Decay. Memories fade when they are not used. This natural process is called decay. Think of chalk drawings on a sidewalk. Rain and footsteps wash them away. In the brain, unused connections between neurons weaken. Practice and review renew those links, keeping them strong. This is why spaced study, reviewing in intervals, helps us remember longer and fight the curve of forgetting. 5. Interference. Not all forgetting comes from fading. Often memories clash. Retroactive interference happens when new memories push out old ones. Proactive interference is the opposite. Old knowledge blocks new learning. This is why learning a new password or phone number can feel hard. Changing context, using cues, and practicing variety help reduce interference and protect recall. 6. Biology. The hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped structure, is crucial for making new memories. When it is damaged, as in certain cases of amnesia, people cannot store new events. The amygdala tags emotion onto memories, making strong feelings unforgettable. The prefrontal cortex helps us choose what to recall. All of this happens through synapses, tiny gaps between neurons that grow stronger with use and weaker with neglect. 7. Emotion. Emotion acts like glue for memory. Joy, fear, and pain make events stick. Stress hormones boost storage when moderate, but too much stress blocks learning. During sleep, especially REM sleep, the brain replays and edits experiences. Traumatic memories can burn in too sharply, but therapy can help reshape them. Calm practice pairs new emotions with old scenes, softening the sting. 8. False memory. Memory is not a perfect recording. It is a story we rebuild each time we recall it. This means details shift and gaps fill in. We often remember the gist more than the exact picture. This flexibility helps us learn and generalize, but it also opens the door to false memories. Group talk, suggestion, or even imagination can twist recall. To protect accuracy, write notes quickly and cross-check facts. 9. Aging. As we age, forgetting becomes more common. The hippocampus shrinks and recall slows. We may forget names or misplace objects more often. Yet aging also brings strengths. We recognize patterns faster and focus more on meaning. Exercise, good sleep, social ties, and constant learning protect the brain. Aging changes memory, but it also deepens wisdom if we care for the mind. 10. Tools. Forgetting is natural, but you can train memory. Pay focused attention. Break distractions. Chunk information into small groups. Attach images or stories to facts. Practice retrieval by testing yourself without notes. Use spaced repetition to review at intervals, just before you forget. Support memory with healthy habits, sleep, exercise, and good food. Small steps build lasting recall and protect the stories of your life. Forgetting is not the enemy. It is part of how the mind works. By pruning details, the brain makes space for focus, growth, and action. We can guide this process with practice, sleep, and smart strategies. So the next time you forget, remember, your brain may be protecting you. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe for more stories of the mind.